Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your account email and password so changes will stick. Open Roblox, then go straight to Settings and tap Account Info. This is where birth date fields live. Enter current details exactly as shown, because consistency prevents verification flags. Once done, make sure you have access to the verification device or email tied to the account, and prepare an official ID if Roblox requests proof. This speeds correction and avoids temporary locks. You now edit the date fields directly. Select birth date and choose the correct month, day, and year. If the date controls are disabled, do not retry changing repeatedly. Instead, open the support link and submit an age change request explaining the mistake. If Roblox asks for documentation, upload a clear scan government ID that matches the requested name and birth date, following their format requirements so they can process it without delay. Finish by saving changes and confirming any email or device verification prompts. You must complete that step to finalize edits. Once submitted, expect up to 24 to 72 hours if Roblox reviews documentation. Be patient and avoid repeating requests. If the change is denied, you should contact support again with the case ID and a higher quality photo or alternate ID. One key troubleshooting tip: clear cache.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.